Welcome back, my people. I always start by appreciating the support you are giving me in this channel, because if it were not for you guys, I can't pretend I could be where I am at the moment. So for those who are supporting this channel, feel appreciated and continue keeping the support on. For the small percentage or the bigger percentage that has not yet subscribed, consider doing so, because people are really appreciating what we are doing in this channel, and it will be a pity you will be left behind. Then one day you wake up and say, I wish I knew. Why should you regret later? Let's join hands as one family and walk this journey together. Let's get back to the point of discussion, whereby we are discussing about the remedies you can apply at home if you are having viral gastroenteritis. These remedies help in recovery without having to visit a health care provider or a hospital. Number 3, we had discussed the first 2 points, and now we continue with the third one, which is ginga. I don't know how it depends on how you pronounce it, but many can pronounce it as ginger, many can pronounce it as ginga, whichever way. So products containing ginger, for example ginger tea, may help to soothe an upset stomach or relieve abdominal pains and spasms. Number 4, we have mint. Mint may also prevent anti-nausea properties similar to those of ginger. Sipping is soothing similar to those of ginger. Sipping a soothing mint tea may help you to feel better. Note this, studies have found that peppermint oil may help relax the muscles in your gut and also has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Let me repeat this. Mint may also prevent anti-nausea properties similar to those of ginger. Sipping a soothing mint tea may help you feel better. And a point to note, studies have found that peppermint oil may help relax the muscles of your gut and also has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. That means it can be used as anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial, or it can fight infections in your gut. Number 5, yogurt. Although dairy products should be avoided when you have most acute symptoms of diarrhea, which come about as a result of gastroenteritis. So, although dairy products should be avoided when you have most acute symptoms, eating unflavored yogurt, the point is unflavored yogurt with high active cultures may help restore your body natural bacterial balance after illness. Let me repeat this one. Although dairy products should be avoided when you have most acute symptoms, eating unflavored yogurt with high active cultures may help restore your body's natural bacterial balance after illness. Remember, we have the bacteria which lives in your body and it doesn't affect you, like for example the normal flora. So this one, and we always advise this, like ladies when they are having the urinary tract infections which affect the normal flora found in the reproductive system or the vagina, we advise them to take yogurt, as yogurt can assist your body to restore its natural bacterial balance after the illness. Let's talk about the prevention of viral gastroenteritis. Viral gastroenteritis can spread easily. However, there are some steps you can take to lower your risk of contracting the virus or passing it to others. For example, number 1, wash hands often, especially after using bathroom and before food preparation or food handling. If necessary, use hand sanitizer until you can access soap and water. I know by this time, this generation, there is nobody who is aware about hand sanitizers, as we are coming from the corona era. So everybody, each one of us can tell what a sanitizer is. So make sure after visiting the toilet or the bathroom, you use a sanitizer first before you reach to your soap and water to thoroughly clean your hand before food preparation or food handling. Number 2, don't share kitchen utensils. Don't share kitchen utensils, plates or towels if someone in your household is sick. Sharing can spread the infection from one person to the other. Sharing the utensils, the plates, the spoons can transmit this or spread this infection. Number 3, don't eat raw or undercooked foods. We said raw foods usually have high risk of having these bacteria than cooked foods. This is because cooked food always passes through it, and the heat helps in killing or eradicating the bacteria and viruses. Number 4, wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly. Most of us just pass by the grocery. You are there, you just buy a fruit and just eat without even washing it. You don't know where the fruit came from before it arrived at that destination. So make sure you wash the fruits. As we have said, raw foods, all undercooked foods, have high chances of having these bacteria. Number 5, take special precautions to avoid contaminated water and food. Take special precautions to avoid contaminated water and food when traveling. Avoid ice cubes. Avoid ice cubes and use bottled water whenever possible. Let me repeat this point. It's very important. Take special precautions to avoid contaminated water and food when traveling. Avoid ice cubes and use bottled water whenever possible. Number 6, ask your doctor if you should have your infant vaccinated against rotavirus. Ask your doctor or your healthcare provider if your child should be vaccinated against rotavirus, which starts at 2 months. So there are 2 vaccines and are started around 2 months. As we said previously, we have one which can be given at 2 months and 4 months. And the other one can be given in 3 doses, 2 months, 4 months, and 6 months. So if your child is over 6 months, he or she can never get a rotavirus vaccine. Guys, this marks the end of our discussion today. And tomorrow we will still continue with this topic about gastroenteritis, which is under food poisoning. As I said before, it's a very, very wide chapter and we will make sure we exhaust it. So let's continue keeping the support on. Continue subscribing, liking, and sharing, and we'll always appreciate your support. Let's have a good and wonderful weekend.